Hi, my name's Ashley McBride. Today is November 4th, 2022, and I'm going to be discussing the sheep kidney dissection. So, my kidney came to me like this, and then I made this midline cut so I could open it up and see the inside. I'll go over a few structures here. The outside portion of a kidney has a coating, which is a fibrous capsule. Mine doesn't really, you can't really see mine much. And then on the inside here, this outermost wall portion, this is called the cortex. Inside, deep to that, is this darker portion. This is the medulla, renal medulla. The medulla is formed into these little triangle type shapes like this that are appropriately named renal pyramids. In between the pyramids are some lighter colored striations. These right here are called renal columns. The columns connect and form minor calyces, and then the minor calyces connect to form major calyces, and then major calyces then all form into the renal pelvis, which is in the hilum, which is kind of the middle containing portion. It's a little easier to see on this one. This container portion in the middle, inside here is the pelvis, and then this outer portion here that contains it is the hilum. You've also got something called the renal sinus, which we can see really well on this kidney here. And then we've got the superior portion of the ureter still attached. Let me put my probe into it so you can see here. See how it goes in. Get a good view that way. And then additionally, it's a little harder to see on the kidney that I have, but you can kind of make out the renal artery and vein. They're just cut in here. And unfortunately, due to the density of the medulla and not having a microscope, we can't make out individual nephrons or glomerular filters. If we were, we would be able to see the actual filtering units for the blood that goes into the kidney. But at this time we can just see the naked eye structures. Thank you.